Now, the video I did yesterday, we're talking about the beautiful bill that President Trump, or the President of the United States, signed, which, of course, is the bill that Elon Musk was very much against, right? Now, today, I want us to discuss about the letter that South Africa might be receiving in the next couple of days, the letter of the tariffs. But before we get to that letter of the tariffs and what it will be about, someone did the polls, right? You will know that Elon Musk, on previous video, I was also discussing that, of course, he wants to open his own party called the American Party, which there were polls that were run on the streets of social media, which showed that 40% of the people will most likely support this political party by Elon Musk, and 38% will not likely support, and 22% are unsure of whether they will support or not. But I must say, these figures, apparently, this poll ran from the 30th to the 2nd of July, and it's very interesting, man. And Elon Musk, you will notice that it's on screen, he said this is very encouraging, meaning that he can make a decision. He can make a decision to have a party that he has been saying, which, by the way, the President of the United States does not like this move at all. Now, that is that, but I just thought I'd come in and close that chapter before I come in on the latest developments that I want to discuss with you about a letter that South Africa will be receiving very soon. Now, before I dig deep, if you enjoy the content that I give you almost on a daily basis on this channel, please do consider liking this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. I mean, YouTube has been telling me that some of you guys watching this content, some of you are not really subscribing, you are just watching, while some of you are liking, some of you sharing. There are those that are just watching, and I will appreciate when you like a content, man. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell. I mean, the kind of growth that I've seen on this channel this year, it has been so great. And look, you guys are just motivating me, or you just continue motivating me to want to do more on this channel, right? Which is why I'm asking you to like, those of you that have not subscribed, to subscribe, as yeah, this gives me the motivation to do more content. But enough about that, let's come back to the news. Now, if you remember, around March of this year, President Trump released a list of countries that he will be, or he imposed tariffs into, saying that there's been unfair trades between the US with those countries, and our very own South Africa was part of that list, right? On that list, South Africa, it was said that they are going to get an additional 30% of tariff increase because Trump says that there's been unfairness between the trade between South Africa and the United States of America. Countries like China, I think China got 35, 36%, but there are countries like Lesotho, I think that got, was it 48 or almost 50% of tariffs. There are so many other countries all over the world that got that, of course, tariff increase. But weeks that followed that announcement of that list by the President of the United States, President Trump, we saw that all those tariffs were put to a pause or halted, and Trump said that there will be pause for 3 months, and he's giving countries to come or to try and negotiate with the US as to why those tariffs should be reduced or no should be reduced. And they want to hear the proposals to try to negotiate with these countries. Now, it has been 3 months since that has taken place, and you know that the pausing or the halting of those tariffs were 3 months, and 3 months it's now the 3 months it's ending now in July, which therefore we are going to see. It is for that reason I'm saying we are going to start receiving letters from the White House telling us the tariffs that we are going to get. Trump, or President Trump, or the US has met with China, has met with India to try to negotiate on the tariffs that they can implement onto these countries. But President Trump made it very clear that to other countries, including our very own South Africa, we are just going to get the take it or leave it letter indicating or highlighting the tariffs that we are going to get. So yeah, man, this is what will be coming to South Africa very soon. We will be getting this letter, and it is a take it or leave it letter. And who knows, we had received 30% of tariffs before President Trump comes and posed these tariffs or additional tariffs, but we'll see exactly how many or how much percent our tariffs will be increasing with. I can tell you they won't take it to zero. It will have to be some sort of percentage, but maybe not that 30%, but it will be, we will get an additional tariff of something, right? But also you will know that this tariff excludes the precious minerals and metals that we are taking to the US, right? It excludes them. And right now, in the next 2 months, also something critical that will be taking place. So the AGOA deal, it's expiring, and there will be new talks that are expected to come. And hopefully also that deal or that trade deal be between us and the US continues, because it's an important trade deal that has created a lot of jobs, that has created benefited both countries, which is something that hopefully we get to see that trade deal continuing even in the years to come, right? Because it has created a lot of jobs, it has created a lot of opportunities, which is obviously great, right? So tell me what you think about this. I just thought I'd come and give you quickly discuss about this letter. Let's see what happens, but anyways, I will see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you.